Welcome, I'm Christina and this is my best friend Kelly. Today we're going to be sharing with you all of our little secret tips and tricks on how we make ourselves look slimmer. So it might be because it's during that time of the month and you might have a little bit of bloating, or you may have gained like a little bit of weight because of quarantine. I know I definitely have.
Guilty.
So we're gonna share with you a few tips that we use to make ourselves look a little bit longer and leaner.
Yeah, who doesn't sometimes want that, right? I mean, it's just human nature. So if you are new to our channel, thank you so much for joining us, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like everything related to fashion. We do tips, tricks, hauls, all kinds of good stuff, and we would love to have you back. We make videos every Sunday and Thursday morning.
One of our favorite ways to actually make ourselves look slimmer is by wearing high-rise jeans. So the reason why Kelly and I really like this is because the high-rise jean actually sits closer to our natural waistline, which is really the slimmest part of our torso. Where we find that a mid-rise or a low-rise jean actually sits a little bit lower on our torso, accentuating more of the wider part of our torso. So just by having that little bit of difference in height with the waistline really will help to cinch in and create a much more narrow waist. Another great thing about high-rise jeans is that it also can lengthen your legs. By doing this, it really does help to elongate your body, really slimming and lengthening your body. Now, some of you may find that, well, high-rise jeans sometimes exposes a little bit of my baby belly. One of the things that you can do is actually select material that has more cotton in it. This will really provide a lot more support and structure, really holding in that stomach, allowing you to look slimmer and feel thinner.
So another trick that we love to use to look longer and leaner and slimmer is with pants. So this is all about choosing a wide leg style pant. So that could be a boot cut or a flare jean. It could be a trouser or even a linen pant in the summertime. These longer flared pants are going to give you the opportunity to create a look that makes your legs look a mile long. So what you want to do is find a pant that is long enough to almost skim the floor when you're wearing heels. And underneath those pants, you're going to have these hidden inches with your shoes. So that's by choosing something like a wedge sandal, a block-heeled sandal, a block-heeled bootie, and wearing those shoes underneath the pants. So these are not the pants that are going to show off your shoes, because your shoes are basically going to be hidden by the pant leg, but that's going to create an illusion that this extra length is your super long legs. And by doing so, you're going to look so long and so lean and so slim, and you're gonna love this trick, trust us.
Our next trick to looking slimmer is by wearing a puff sleeve top. Now this is actually a trick that Kelly and I just recently came upon because these puff sleeves are so popular right now. And we both found that when we were wearing them, we really felt slimmer, especially when we were tucking them in. The reasoning behind this is because the added volume that you're adding to your shoulder really does help to create almost like an inverted triangle, broadening at the shoulder and then really drawing in the eye, narrowing it out in the waistline. The thing is that there might be some of you who feel like, well, my shoulders are too broad, I really don't want to add more attention to it. We would actually recommend that you select a top that has just a slight puff sleeve. Even in the one that I'm wearing, it does have a little ruffle added with it. You may actually opt to stay away from any other added details to these puff sleeves and really just have a minimal puff sleeve, but it definitely is a great way to really help define that waist and really slim yourself out.
Another great trick for looking slimmer is just by tucking in your shirt. So you know we have talked about this a million times, and sometimes when we're feeling like we've gained a little bit of weight or we're feeling a little bit bloated, we feel like we want to put on something very oversized and baggy, or we want to leave our blouse just hanging out so that we can hide all of that that's going on. But really what you're doing is you are adding extra bulk and extra weight, and you are losing your shape. So by selecting a tuck for your top, you're actually going to show off a little bit of that waist area and make yourself look more defined and slimmer. So if you're not sure of the correct way that you can do this and still feel confident and comfortable, definitely check out our video that we recently created. It is all about the different ways that you can tie and tuck and twist and do all of these fun things with your shirt to help create that waist and to really help you look slimmer.
Cargo jackets are one of our favorite third layering piece, but especially the ones that have the hidden drawstring inside of them. And the reason why we love this little secret feature that's on some of these cargo jackets is because by tightening that drawstring, you really can help to create a waist. There are definitely some beautiful cargo jackets out there that you will see that do not have this feature, and it can really create much more of a boxy type of feel and look to the body, really not defining the waist and instead adding more weight to the torso area. But for Kelli and I, we find that just by tightening that drawstring a little bit, it creates the illusion of a waist really slimming us out. And the great thing is that they come in so many beautiful colors now. They've got beautiful creams, they've got blush colors, tan colors, and of course there is the classic olive green color. So that's our secret for you. It's definitely one that we use a lot, and it really explains why cargo jackets are one of our favorite third layering pieces.
In the past, you may have heard that the size of your bag should really be determined by the size of your body, your stature. So taller women can get away with larger bags, more petite women should stick to smaller bags. However, this is not true if your goal is to look slimmer. So if you want to look slimmer, choose a larger structured bag. It's actually going to make you appear smaller next to the larger bag. So this is not true of slouchy style bags. Slouchy style bags, they really don't have that same effect. You really want to choose something that's more of a structured bag. Whether it's a medium-sized tote or a large tote is really up to your personal preference, but it definitely explains why Christina and I love our tote bags, especially our classic cognac tote that we have. We love the way that one looks, and it really does make us feel smaller when we have our big tote bag, and it just naturally makes your body appear slimmer. So it's a great little hidden secret. We love our crossbody bags, we love our handheld bags, but a tote bag is definitely a good one if you want to feel slimmer.
Okay, ladies, so we hope that you enjoyed some of our tips and learned some new things, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!